uh, regarding this violation under the national directives for COVID-19 for the month of July and August. Okay, say for not wearing the mask in the public places, or for either for spitting or for smoking in the public places. So cumulatively, I'll give you it's for the month of July and August. Like for wearing of the mask, we have detected around 114 cases. Then spitting in the public places, around 6 cases. Then smoking in public places and all, around 108 cases. That is for the month of July and August. And the total fine realized for these 3 violations, we have collected around 1,08,700 rupees for the month of July and August. And we will be continuing together with the district administration, and we will be imposing more stricter fines in the coming days. In view of this pandemic, I would request all the general public to come together and please obey the SOP which has been laid down by our health department for the betterment of the entire society. That is my humble request to all the general public.